Step 1. Open the email sent by our Epic Wallpaper Store and click on Download Content. Step 2. Click on the Download button to start downloading your full HD video and save it to your PC. Step 3. Go to the Microsoft Store and install the app, Lively Wallpaper. You can also install this app through its official website. The link is in the description down below. Step 4. Open the app, and click on Add Wallpaper in the top right corner. Step 5. Click on Browse, and select the downloaded video. Step 6. Finally, click on OK to set it up as your wallpaper. Enjoy your brand new Epic Wallpaper.